In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll have a clean professional form that anyone can use to reach you, and all messages will land neatly in your Mailchimp audience inbox. I'll walk you through navigation, customization, and publishing, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way so everything works smoothly. Start by opening Mailchimp and signing in to your account. You'll be working within your audience tools, so make sure you're in the workspace where you want to collect messages. From the main navigation, look for Forms. This is where Mailchimp keeps its sign-up tools and contact options. Clicking Forms brings you to a hub of form types, including some specialized options that aren't part of landing pages or embedded sign-up forms. Next, choose Other Forms. This section includes the dedicated contact form, which is separate from subscriber forms. It's designed for general inquiries rather than mailing list signups, which keeps your communication organized and easy to manage. Select Contact Form. Doing this opens the area where Mailchimp manages submissions coming from the form. You'll notice you're in the audience inbox, which is the central place where messages from your contact form will appear. Here, go ahead and click Add to start creating a new contact form. Think of this as setting up the container for your form content and settings. Now click Customize Form. This opens the editor where you shape the experience your visitors will see. Take a moment to adjust the form title and introduction so people immediately understand what the form is for. Support requests, partnership inquiries, booking questions, or general feedback. Clear context reduces confusion and helps you get more helpful messages. Look over the default fields and tailor them to your needs. Typically, you'll have name, email, and a message field. Keep your form focused. Only ask for what you truly need to respond effectively. Shorter forms generally convert better. If a field must be completed for you to respond, like email, make it required. You can adjust placeholder text to guide users on what to write, and you can add brief descriptions where helpful, such as noting expected response times or any information you'd like included. Keep accessibility in mind by using clear field labels and straightforward language. Style the form to match your brand. Choose colors and fonts that complement your website or emails, and consider adding your logo if the editor provides that option. Consistent branding helps users trust the form and recognize they're in the right place. If your organization needs to include a short privacy note or consent language, add that to the description or a dedicated field as appropriate. When you're happy with the layout, copy, and styling, click Next. You can always come back later to tweak wording or design details, so don't worry about making everything perfect on the first pass. You'll see an option related to tagging. Tags can be useful if you plan to segment people who contact you. For example, separating partnership inquiries from support messages. If you don't need that kind of organization right now, select Skip Tagging to keep things simple. You can return and add tags in the future as your workflow evolves. Finally, click Publish Form. Publishing makes your contact form live and generates a shareable link. This link is what you'll provide on your website, in your email footer, or on social profiles so people can reach you. From now on, any submissions will appear in your audience inbox where you can view, reply, and track conversations in one place. And that's it. You've created, customized, and published a Mailchimp contact form. Keep your form concise, your instructions clear, and your branding consistent, and you'll make it easy for people to get in touch and for you to manage responses efficiently.